Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. For many homeowners, replacement windows have become a top priority, and for good reason. In Rowlett, where temperatures can fluctuate and energy costs can add up, replacing old windows offers a range of benefits that make everyday living more enjoyable. One of the main reasons homeowners choose replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often have worn seals, single-pane glass, or outdated materials that allow air to leak in and out. This makes it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These upgrades help keep cool air inside during hot months and warm air inside during cooler seasons, reducing energy usage and lowering utility bills. Comfort is another major factor. Drafty windows can create uneven temperatures throughout your home, leaving some rooms too warm while others feel too cool. Replacement windows eliminate these issues by providing a tighter seal and better insulation. Homeowners in Rowlett often notice an immediate difference, with a more balanced and comfortable indoor environment year-round. Another key benefit is enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a big role in your home's overall appearance, both inside and out. Old, worn, or outdated windows can make your property look less inviting. By upgrading to new replacement windows, you can instantly refresh your home's look. With a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, it's easy to find options that complement your home's design and reflect your personal style. Increased home value is another reason many homeowners make the switch. Replacement windows are a desirable feature for potential buyers because they offer improved efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, knowing your home has added value is always a plus. Noise reduction is another advantage that often surprises homeowners. Older windows typically do little to block outside sounds, allowing noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity to enter your home. Modern replacement windows are designed with multiple panes and better insulation, which helps reduce noise and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Durability is also an important consideration. Today's replacement windows are built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. In Rowlett, where homes can experience heat, storms, and seasonal shifts, having durable windows is essential. New windows resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring they maintain their performance and appearance over time. Low maintenance is another benefit homeowners appreciate. Older windows often require frequent upkeep, such as repainting, sealing, or repairs. Modern replacement windows are designed to be easy to care for, with materials that resist wear and tear. This means you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your home. Improved functionality is another reason to upgrade. Older windows can be difficult to open, close, or lock properly. Replacement windows are designed for smooth operation, making them easier to use on a daily basis. Enhanced locking systems also provide added security, giving homeowners greater peace of mind. Natural light is another important factor. New windows are designed to maximize light while minimizing heat transfer. This allows you to enjoy brighter, more inviting spaces without sacrificing comfort. In Rowlett homes, increased natural light can make rooms feel larger and more welcoming. Finally, replacement windows offer long-term value. While the initial investment may seem significant, the benefits, lower energy bills, increased comfort, reduced maintenance, and improved home value, add up over time. It's a practical upgrade that continues to pay off year after year. In the end, homeowners in Rowlett choose replacement windows because they provide a complete upgrade to the home. From energy efficiency and comfort to style and durability, new windows offer a solution that enhances both everyday living and long-term value. If you're looking for a way to improve your home, replacement windows are a smart and rewarding choice.